Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to generate your battery health and usage report for your laptop using both the command line interface and the graphic user interface. Now, this report can provide valuable insights into your battery's performance. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. The first step is to use the command line interface. And to launch the command line interface, you either use the start menu and then search for CMD and launch from there, or you can use the run utility and type CMD and press enter. Both ways is going to open your command line interface for you. Now in your command line interface, you will now type power cfg slash battery report. Now to explain this command, the power cfg is the power configuration utility that has all the information about your power usage and your battery usage. The battery report is just telling command prompt to generate a battery report from your power configuration utility. So you go ahead and press enter, and command prompt is going to generate your battery life report and save it as what? A battery slash reports.html. So it saves it as an HTML file, and this is the file path that the report is being saved to. So to open this file, you select all these file paths and copy. You will now open your Explorer window and paste this file path in it and press enter. Now, since it's an HTML file, it is going to open with your default browser or your default HTML reader application. So this is the battery report. The first part is an information about the PC, the OS, and then the BIOS. And the second one is information about the installed batteries. Moving downwards, you will see the recent usage. That's your power state over the last 3 days. So it shows the different states that the battery has been in over the last 3 days, and then there are its battery capacity. This is also the battery drain or the battery usage over the last 3 days. This is a line graph, and also the summary is at the bottom. The usage history gives you your battery usage over the usage history will give you your battery usage since your OS or the operating system was installed. The battery capacity history is also the same thing, the battery capacity since the OS was installed till now. And this is the battery life estimate. So this is the battery life estimate where you are going to see how long your battery can last you on a full charge. So currently on a full charge, my battery is able to last for 3 hours and 32 minutes. Alternatively, you can also use the graphic user interface, right? So to use the graphic user interface, you can just right click the battery icon and then click on the power and sleep settings. However, this name might change depending on your operating system. So when this is opened, this is a summary of the battery. You can click on view detailed info, or you can just come here. So this is battery. You can just come here and then click on battery usage, and you are able to get your battery usage. This is for the last 24 hours. You can also select for the last 7 days. Additionally, you can also look at your screen on time and your screen off time, as well as your sleep time. So over the last 24 hours, my PC has not been on sleep mode. So here you are also able to see your battery usage per app or per software on your PC. So there you have it. Generating a battery health and usage report is a great way to monitor the performance of your laptop's battery. And whether you prefer using the command line interface or the graphic user interface, both methods will provide valuable information. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech tips and hacks. Also, don't forget to share this video to others. Thanks for watching. Until I come your way with another video, be safe.